How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Um, Today is Tuesday, October 1st. Yesterday I took one trade and I was a little emotional after it, even though it was a win. But I could have made a lot more than I did. So I stopped trading for the whole day. And today, after we got that whole sell-off right here, I mean, in the past 2 weeks, price has not been moving like this. And, of course, everyone want to get short and follow the trend for the day. And then all the buyers want to be buying right here, and then they got effed. So, yeah, I just stayed out today, even though price, the movement of price today is a lot more in line with my strategy, but just simply looking back on the last 2 weeks, how we haven't really been moving much. We haven't been getting the best price action, and now we get this day. I wasn't really expecting anything fluid. Although we did get some moves that I was looking at and I missed. But I'm glad I didn't take anything today. I'm glad I only took that small win yesterday and didn't overtrade or continue looking at the charts and trying to make more than what I could have. So let's go into that trade yesterday. It was around 10:30, and ES respected this point of control zone, and we got bought back up. And then I'm trying to figure out oh yeah. Oh, right. It was this. So we came up into the zone that I wanted to find resistance at, sold back down, respected this point of control zone as support. Then we finally broke through it. And on this break, on this 3-minute candle close, NQ was already selling off a lot. And we broke through this point of control zone once, then came back up, and then broke through it again. And that was why I was super confident in this trade, because NQ broke through it twice. And we still had room to find stop orders down here. So I waited until the candle closed, and then I entered NQ on when ES retested this point of control zone. And then we were kind of chopping around here for a little bit. We lost a little volume and momentum, and then we were in drawdown for a little bit, and then we got a small little pop, and that is where I need to be I got to be more patient and more confident in the trades, because once we got back down to here, and then I saw a little push back, a little resistance down here to come back up, I just got out for small 8 points, and then 10 seconds later we dropped all the way. So I missed out on that small little move. Not a big deal, but just something to think about and to improve on. But I mean, it was still a good trade. Still followed my rules, followed my strategy, and executed it perfectly, actually. Right when ES came back and retested that point of control zone. So, yeah, that was the trade on yesterday, and then I was pretty angry. So, I just stepped away. I had other things to do, so kept myself busy, And yeah, it was a good day. And then today, obviously we had that huge sell-off and then little chop around, and there was a good chance on longs that I was looking at, because down here, but I'll just tell you guys right now, after I saw this huge sell-off at market open, I told myself I wasn't going to trade today, and that's what I did. I did not trade. So I'm proud of myself for that. And I just watched the market, and I just wanted to see if my trade ideas would play out, and a few of them did. So the first one that I was looking at was it was on a pullback, and then I wanted to short because we had so much momentum going down. So the big news was at 10 o'clock right here. I wouldn't trade before the news came out. So right here, you can see we found support, came up, found resistance, and then once we sold back down and broke through this point of control zone again, that would be a perfect short. Didn't get the pullback to the point of control zone, so wouldn't have gone in, but still a great look. And then little choppy action, volume kind of dies down here. Wouldn't really look for any longs in here just because, oh yeah, I remember I was watching this. You can see we respect this point of control zone, get a nice push up. You could be like, oh yeah, we broke through this point of control zone, yeah, take the buy. But if you zoom out, you can see this was a low that was made, and now ideally you'd want to see this zone get closed above before taking any longs, and clearly we did not. We hit that zone and sold right back down, so not a valid long yet. So then I sold back down, made a new low, gets bought back up. Here, still, I mean, we're in this like zone of no trades. You would not want to take anything here. You would not want to take a short back down because we just respected these point of control zones, and you would not want to long up because you have point of control zones here and you just entered an area of resistance. So even if you took a long, you'd ideally want to get out here. So not a very good risk to reward. But then we sell back down, find more support, get bought back up. This was the long that I was looking at because you can see ES got a nice close. I was watching this resistance to get broken through. We broke through there, but NQ didn't really make a strong move up. I really wanted to see what NQ did in here, and we already have a few point of control zones here as well. So you can see NQ finally broke through, closed above. Look at this candle close. That's perfect for longs. And then at that time, ES closed pretty well above even this area of resistance too. And then I was looking to get in long from this point of control zone. Stop would be max 40 points and take it up all the way. Trail the stop, probably would have gone stopped out if you're trailing it at the low of each 3-minute candle that closes. you'd get stopped out up here. So would have been a nice 60-point move. And yeah, that was pretty much it. The rest of the day, we just chopped around these point of control zones and didn't really do much. So, yeah, that was yesterday and today. I've been pretty busy with school, and I've got two quizzes to take today, so just want to get you guys a video out, update on how the week is going, and we can look at the account. Load. Come on. Alright. Yep. We're at 18 days. 50% winning days. Average winning day is around 100. Average losing day, I'd round it up to 150. So, not the best ratio, but we'll get it up. And yeah, we're up $40 on the week, which was yesterday's win. So that is it today. I hope you guys have had a good 2 days of trading this week. Today offered a lot of good moves, I think, both short and long opportunities. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.